Harry can do it. Well, the lady will teach you, sweetheart, because I don't know how to do it. Harry didn't know how to do it 2 seconds ago. He knows now. First of all, I'm going to start with a slip knot on my hook, and when you're doing this, the first thing you need to do is to tell your pupil, Darcy in this case, how to use her busy finger. Okay. First of all, you need to explain that the busy finger has to control that stitch on the hook like Darcy is doing here. Okay, so I'm going to go over here explaining that's the first action, and then the next action is to take this round and bring it back to Darcy, who's going to just hold on to that there. Okay, so this is 1 job, 2 jobs. The busy finger, of course, has only got 1 job to do, just going up and down like Darcy is doing there. Okay, 1 job, 2 jobs. 1 job, 2 jobs. Well done, Darcy. I think you're helping great there.
I couldn't crochet yesterday. Now it's hard to do it.
Leave it now, cut it later. Start your new colour first, knot it together. It needs to be longer, doesn't it? Your tail. Try again.
Yeah,
That's it.
She'll be doing this when she's 4.